Okay, just want to make sure the light was on. They're worn out. See that gap there down the bottom? They're squeaking like anything. What a stupid design. You can actually see it moving. I can feel it, man. This one's just as flogged out too. So I'm just going to show you a bit. Got my safety boots on, as you can tell. I'll come upside down. I've taken off that panel over there. You can see it on the ground. That's you can see it just. So nut there, 16mm. You got to get them by a spanner. There's two ways on the back as well. This is a right-hand drive, so the exhaust is on the driver's side. And I'd say it'd be the same for left-hand drive. It'll be up on the right hand, no matter where it is. So just sit on there for a minute. It's so difficult. It's up there. Alright, you can turn it 16mm. I've got two ways of attack. I'm trying to get under here with a camera. So you get the two back ones with a spanner, but there's two ways of doing this. So I'll show you the other way. If I can turn around, you come in from the side at the top. I cannot position myself right now, I'm sorry. I'll try to turn it around so you can see. Trying to get it up there. You sort of see that spanner. I don't even know if you can see that. I'm just guessing. And you can turn it from this side. On the outside, above the control bush, there's a gap here. And you can get up in there. There's my ratchet. It's above the CV, the steering boot. It's down there. So this one you get from the side as well. That's tight. I'll take it out, and you get that from the other side as well. There's the extension, 16mm, 3/4 drive. This will take you about 3 hours to do if you don't take the exhaust off. Alright, and you can get the other one over the top too, on the side, just like I showed you. This is not an amateur job. I've been doing this trade for years, and I can tell you now, I just did it the hardest way, because the customer will whinge when I take the exhaust off. It'll rattle. You can take the rack out. You put it back, and the steering wheel won't be in the right position. I don't want to hear it. I just want it back in. No complaints. See you later. Anyway, you can do it with everything on, so just take your time. And you can get it over the side of there. It is possible. I just did it. Thanks for watching.